In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Hostinger's hPanel to manage your MySQL databases. We'll go through this process step by step to ensure you have a clear understanding of how to set up and manage your databases effectively. First things first, let's head over to Hostinger's official website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page of Hostinger, which is the starting point of your journey. This is where you'll manage all your websites. It acts as a central hub, providing an overview of your hosting services. If you're not there yet, just navigate to Hostinger's homepage by entering the URL into your browser. Now, once you're comfortably on the homepage, let's move on to access the dashboard. You can do this by clicking on the dashboard link. The dashboard is a crucial area where you can view and manage different aspects of your hosting accounts, such as websites, emails, and other hosting-related tasks. The next step is to locate and click on Databases. This section is dedicated to managing your website's databases, and it contains all the tools you'll need. Here, you'll be able to create, modify, and delete databases as required for your website needs. Upon clicking on the Databases link, you'll notice an option labeled Management. Click on this option. The Management page is where you oversee the specifics of your databases. It includes various features to monitor and maintain optimal database performance, an essential part of managing an effective website. Next, look for the MySQL database name and click on it. This action will take you into the interface specifically for that database, giving you access to various settings and information related to it. It's here that you can make any necessary adjustments to your database configurations. Once you've clicked on the MySQL database name, you'll need to select the MySQL username. Clicking here allows you to manage the credentials necessary for accessing the database. Properly managing these usernames and passwords is vital for maintaining the security and accessibility of your database. After clicking on the username, the next step is to click on Password. Clicking here lets you change or set a new password for your MySQL database. Remember, choosing a strong and unique password is crucial to ensuring your database remains secure from unauthorized access. Finally, after setting all the necessary parameters for your database, make sure to click on Create. This step finalizes the creation or modification of your database, officially applying all the changes and making everything ready for use. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated Hostinger's hPanel to manage your MySQL database. If you followed all the steps, congratulations. Your database should be set up and ready to go. Remember, good management of your databases will lead to better performance and reliability of your website. Happy hosting!